Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Epik AI Photo Editor application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed the Epik AI application on your mobile phone. And then I'm going to open up this application because I have installed this application as you can see. And then we can use the application to edit photo or edit video. And for example, I'm going to use it to edit my photo. So I'm going to go to the edit photo and then we can choose the photo we want to edit. I'm going to select photo from my pictures album and I'm going to edit this photo for example. Okay, and here we will get a lot of features we can use to edit our photo. We have face, skin, makeup, hair, and body. And for instance, I'm going to apply makeup to my photo. So I'm going to go to the makeup and I'm going to select makeup and I'm going to apply lip color. Okay, wait guys, you can choose the lip color that you like and I'm going to select the plum. Okay, and then I'm going to click on check mark and then I'm going to sorry guys, and then I'm going to apply blush as well, this one. Basically you can use the features according to your needs guys, it's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna go with this blush, the basic. Okay, and the eyeliner, I'm gonna apply eyeliner to the eyes. I'm gonna apply this one. Okay, then the eyeshadow as well. Alright, it's good. And then I'm going to go to the eyelashes. It's already good, but I'm going to make it clearer. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and for the contour, okay, perfect. And now it's done guys. I'm not gonna edit anymore. Oops. Okay, and you can apply the feature that you like. I'm gonna go to the hair color as well and change the hair color. Wait, I'm gonna apply. Fortunately, the hair color is not free. Okay, just like this. Alright, and then once you're ready to save your photo, you can click on this download icon. Again, this is the final result. If you want to edit video, you just need to go to the video editing. Right here, go to edit video and then you'll be able to choose the video you want to edit right here. I'm going to select video from my download folder and I'm going to choose this video. And same with photo, you will get a lot of features. You will have face, skin, body, and it's up to you. You will be able to add sound and trim your video as well. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Epik AI Photo and Video Editor application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!